want. So if you're just looking for so if you're here, you might have a little bit of noise.
Oh,
It's pretty so much.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes, rock and roll.
So just to show you what it is.
Tell me what I just seen. It's not what you think.
Would it be possible to add this something like I can add it more than
Right. So yeah, there are some copyright laws that come into play, of course. But you can take portions of a book. We do have a really nice scanner.
In the space. But what we can do in here is it's an open access media and technology space. Students, staff, faculty, community can come in and make videos and photography. 3D.
Are you okay with that picture?
Please, yeah, pictures, videos, anything, all good. And if you want, we've got branded backgrounds, so you can take photos over here. I'll get lights on here in a minute. But it's any type of media stuff that you want to do for class or even for personal access or even just kind of like
Move. It's a little bigger. Oh, I never know where it's gonna move. I'm still not sure.